2, 3. You don't know, baby, 'cause when you hold me and kiss me slowly, it's the sweetest thing, yeah. And it don't change if I had it my way, 'cause you would know that you are. Oh, you're the coffee that I need in the morning. You're my sunshine in the rain when it's pouring. Won't you give yourself to me? Give it all. Oh, I just wanna see how beautiful you are. You know that I see it. I know you're a star. Where you go, I'll follow, no matter how far. If life is a movie, oh, you're the best part. Ha, 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 ha. She's fine too, but I want you. Ha, 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 ha. She's fine too, but I want you to love me even more. So let's see how you like this song. Yeah. Now don't go walking out the door, 'cause that's just some.
I'm gonna show you guys what I bought as clicks and also a pep. I'll make it quick because I have to fix my things, my room now. I bought these ventilators and then wipes. It got a lotion, lip stick, lip gloss, lip balm, yeah, lip balm, and then for smell, forgot its name, basket, yeah, and then it put a spritzer. Look at this now. It gloves, bath glove, because sana ezibesindivasa ngazo bese singabenze naso besingenabo ukulady like sana ndiphoxe ring light up, but ke sizogqiba tissue, hand lotion, and then this tissue oil. Is it tissue oil? Yeah, body oil, whatever. Basket, it helps me with stretch marks. So yeah, it works wonders. Shame did got it last day and umehluko is there. So yeah guys, this was our now qoqa the things bendibonise zona kushi in hall yam zendlu, so tuzama arrange and then yeah. I'm not sure if it's arrange and guys or ndizoyenza and then ndinibonise xa sendiqabile. So yeah, ndiyakhala kona i-tears of sorrow because xa ungene-clicks vele uphume ubumillion bakho buphelile uburish bakho. Hey guys, I just got back from the China City ngoku and I want to show you into endiyifumeneyo njengoba nditshintwana ndothenga what's this, a-TV stand, so ndiyitholile and yeah, I'll show you just now before more like unboxing le ndizoyenza apha. Unboxing.
She's fun too, but I want you. Ha, 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 ha. She's fun too, but I want you to love me even more. So let's see how you like this song. Don't go walking out the door, 'cause that's just somewhere you don't belong. Yeah. 'Cause ever since the day that I met you, I knew you were the girl of my dreams, but we could never be. We find love and we get up and we fall down, we give up on you. No, 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 oh, yeah, yeah. Let's start. Yeah.
Say hi to my channel.
Taking notes on my keyboard, but you're bothering me. There's a room for what you calling me? Rain so pleasant, rainbows falling, nice handshake, first light from falling, alright fence, first light from falling, say loving the crew, they loving the crew, oh they loving the crew, oh they loving the crew, they loving the crew, they loving the crew.
Does he do it for you? When he's finished, does he step back and adore you? I just gotta know.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time seeing this face, welcome. I'm Anita Mgeni, and please don't leave without subscribing and joining our beautiful family. To the things, thank you so much guys for giving us support. I really appreciate it. I'm a bit late, delayed. When this client wanna okay and the KFC and try big coffee or a McDonald's. But sana and the one in the ground and yes, so one of family because the lighting, oh, I'm so beautiful. I'm wearing my favorites. My favorites here and the pants is and see leather pants, and then yeah, I'm here to open this vlog because today it's Monday. I'm going to work. Yeah, I'm going to work, man. Decision late. I'm not sure if buys out in again. Do you? Join on the bank.
Try me, I deserve it. Let the devil lurking.
Yeah.
You make a like, now you don't like it. You know I dealt with you the nicest. Nobody touched me in the right. Nobody text me in a crisis. I believe that all of your dreams are duration. You took my heart, all my keys, and my patience. You took my heart, I must leave a decoration. You mistaken my love.
We can take it slow. Oh, I think about you. Let's get the basics. Whoa, now he's so replaceable. You're
just trouble to know.
It's alright, I'm not dangerous. When you're mine, I'll be generous. You're irreplaceable, collectible, just like fine China. Took me a while to find your love. Ain't no amount of time in this world. Save me a lot of time and just love me. Feel it, baby, feel it in your soul. Are you ready? I know your heart been telling you belong to me. No. It's alright. I'm not dangerous. When you're mine, I'll be generous.
Hey guys, the time now is 10:30. Ebusuku. Mna ndihleli ndincuntsulana nee-lashes because I'm dying. They are itching like ngaphakathi. So now I'm trying to donula the lashes. Zara kubi.
It's alright, I'm not dangerous. When you're mine, I'll be generous. You're irreplaceable.
Hi guys. So close this vlog. I'm going to close this vlog and sana. Oh, story lashes. I think ngiyazibona nani kuyoba half ngapha ziphelele. Kodwa ba ndiyagoba ndiyafanga la night, so I decided into bana okay, let me susa. Ndifuna ususa zonke but ke zabe zibambelele, so ndasusa ezi. So ngoku andiyazi noba ndiyoqhubezela ziyokhutshwa noba ziphinde zirefilo na, because akwazi kaloku ukuba nje phakathi kwabantu. Andikwazi kuba nje nazi neneli zam, I think zendiziveze. I love this red color. I love them so much. So yeah guys, ngixake nenwele andiyazi endenza apha entloko. Ngathi ndise high school but ke it's okay. It's okay. So bona ngoko ke. So yeah guys, I'm here to close this vlog. Thank you so much for watching until the end. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also hit that notification button so that you can be notified whenever I post content. Bye for now.
Tell me, don't have faces in the